Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back to share with you guys a little haul from my trip that I just took. We went down and took my son to Valencia, California to visit CalArts, which is a school that he plans to go to in the fall. And so while I was down there, I was able to do a little bit of shopping. As you guys know, Diaso is down there in California. So anytime I get down there to California, I want to go to Diaso. I want to go to the 99-cent only store, which we don't have here. I also went to Michael's as well as Joann and the Dollar Tree. Michael's, the reason why I went to Michael's is to use that Joann coupon. But the one out by Valencia, I'm not exactly sure if it's still, if it's in that area or if it's another named area, but it's close to Valencia. They would not allow me to use the Joann coupon at that store. So I didn't feel like arguing, so I didn't even get it. But thank God my sissy here on YouTube text me, and she's going to pick up a few things for me. So I'll share with you guys that stuff when it comes in. So what I'll do is I'm gonna probably break this video up in at least 2 videos. I'll share with you guys the stuff that I did get from Michael's and Joann as well as the 99-cent only store, and then I'll do a separate video sharing with you guys the things that I picked up from Diaso. I also share with you guys just a few little projects here and there because, you know, they kind of relate to what I'm gonna share with you guys. So first things first, like I said, I went to Michael's and they did not allow me to use the 80% off coupon for the stickers, which I was kind of bummed out about, but I did find some things that were 70% off. So these things that I'm going to share with you guys were 60 cents, and I picked up another one of these Hello Friend stamps. I just think for 60 cents for 3 stamps, you can't beat that, and I just think that this is a really awesome stamp for a Happy Mail. So I went on and picked up another set of those. I also picked up the word smile, which is in the silver glitter, the word hello, and the word love. I also picked up this 20 gauge wire that was in the bead landing. It's in the beading section, and I used a coupon for this, and I just dropped my little word. Give me 1 minute, because I did try to see what that would look like with my happy jig. So the reason why I picked up this wire is because I saw Tammy's video where she shared that she picked up black wire from the 99-cent only store. When I went to the one that was close to where we were staying, they did not have the black wire in stock. They didn't even know what I was talking about, so I was just like, forget it. I even pulled up a picture, and they didn't know what I was talking about. So I just, when I was at Michael's, I just went on and checked for this one, and I picked up the 20 gauge because I felt like it's thick enough, but it's still thin enough, and it's pliable. So, you know, I just went on and picked up this one. I just kind of felt it in the store to feel if this was something that I think I could work with. And this is what the word looks like when you do it with the happy jig. And if I got a scrap piece of paper, you can see it a little bit better on there. And I didn't really shape it as much as I will once I put it on a project, but it does come out pretty good. And I actually use less wire using this particular wire. I'm not sure why that is. I don't know if it's because I could pull it a little bit tighter. I don't know, but it does work. So I just went on and used that for my happy jig. And that, I believe it was $3.49 or $3.79, and then I used a 40 or 50% off coupon for that. And I'll show you real quick a close-up of, honestly I like the pipe cleaner method better for the words and stuff. I just think that it comes out really cute. And I'll show you guys a close-up of a card that I created, and I did share this as a picture or thumbnail on my last video doing the happy jig review, but I did want to show it to you close up. So this piece back here was actually a print and cut. This is a Maggie Holmes, I believe this is the Carousel collection, and all I did was I printed it on my, I put it in my Silhouette Design Studio, made it as big as I wanted it to be, and then I did a print and cut using my HP printer which was so cool because by the time I came back from my trip, my HP ink was already here, so I don't even have to order ink. I don't have to go out and purchase ink. It just knows that I'm low on ink, so it'll ship me ink out, which is awesome. So I'd never run out of ink. I will leave the information again down below for that printer. I loved it. I love the printer, and it prints really well. I'll just do a really good close-up, but it prints very well. And this is on Georgia Pacific 110-pound cardstock, and it goes through my printer just fine. So what I did was I just made a little shaker out of that little piece. I thought it was really cute. And then this part I just did on my happy jig, and I did the word hello, and I hot glued that down on top of there. This yellow polka dot paper came from Joann when they had their little sale going on. So I just went on and cut that out using a die that has stitches. And then I used another die from my stash that is a little scallop die, and I just cut the card base out of that. On the back, I used the bow embossing folder, and I just embossed these bows, and then I cut it out using that same stitch die. And I got that idea from Shishi because she embosses the back of her cards. I think that is so cool. It gives it a really finished look. And then this is how the inside look. This is just a little scrap piece of pretty paper that I had, so I just stuck that in there. But I thought this card came out super cute, and I love it. But yeah, I love using the pipe cleaner with the happy jig. To me, that's my favorite so far. I will link Tammy's review video down below, as well as my review video for the happy jig and Marilyn G's, because I think that you know, they're good videos to watch to see if this is something that you really want to invest in. So anyway, that's that. Let me see. Also from Michael's, I also picked up, and these things I actually picked up prior to going out of town. I picked up the Cheeky Modern, and it was 70% off when I picked it up. And I know you guys have probably already saw this one. This is, yeah, the Cheeky Modern Pop. I picked up the Funky Fresh, and they actually gave me this one for 70% off as well, because they were all sitting over there with the 70% off paper pads. And if you guys have not seen it, I'll just do just a really quick flip through. Very cute, pretty designs for the summertime. So I wanted to go ahead and pick that up, especially since they gave it to me for 70% off. I also picked up the Cheeky Modern Pop in the 6x6, and this was 70% off as well. And this is a 6x6 pad, and it is double-sided, which is awesome to make, you know, different things out of. So pretty. So I love that. And I also picked up 2 of these Life is Sweet. These are the 5x7 journal books, and there's 3 pieces in here, and these are the patterns here. Really cute, sweet treats type of patterns on there. So I picked those up before I left, and I think that's it from Michael's. So I will just move on over to Joann. Well, I'll go to the 99-cent only store. I did pick up this, which are white and gold straws, and these were $1 at the 99-cent only store. I just thought this was super cute. I'll probably give this to my grandbaby, but it's much too big for her right now. But it's the LED eyeglasses, and that is what it does. It just kind of flickers. But I thought it was cute because my cat is gray, even though she really doesn't have stripes like that. But I just love little gray cats when I see them. So I can just imagine my cat wearing some little glasses like this, but I'm sure she won't let me put those on her. But those are actually for like little kids' parties. So then, oh, I also picked up these little gold cupcake cups, and I picked those up to make rosettes with. I thought those were really cute and a nice small size to layer with. And I think that was all that I found at the 99-cent only store. Let me see. Everything is kind of mixed up now. I did go back and I found these at Target, so I sent some of these to Marilyn G, and then I was like, those are so cute. And when I found them, I only found one pack, so I went on and sent them to her, because when I saw them, I thought about her. But I wanted to go ahead and get me a pack since I saw them at Target, so I went on and picked those up. So at the Dollar Tree, I picked up some of this floral wire. Tammy was saying that you could use this floral wire from the Dollar Tree, and you definitely can. I like the way that it bends. It's very soft and pliable, and so these are the two words that I made with it. The only thing is, when you go to start it in your happy jig, you can't stick this part down in your starter peg because it's too wide. So that was the only downfall, but I made it work just by kind of holding it in place and then just going ahead and wrapping around. And I know that they have this wire in purple, and I believe they might also have it in silver, but it comes from the Dollar Tree, and it's only 6 feet of wire. But you know, you can make probably about four different words maybe out of one pack. So that's not bad. $4. Excuse me. I also found this at the Dollar Tree, and this says shopping fun, and I just thought this was so cute. And if I had more space, I would have actually picked up more of these, but I didn't have more space, so I just went on and picked up one. I just thought it was so cute, like fashionista type of little bank. I'm all over the place. From Hobby Lobby, I'll show you guys what I picked up from there. And this was the Hobby Lobby here before I left. I had a lot of little things that I picked up. So I picked up this yarn from Yarn Bee. It was on clearance for $1.37. It's such a pretty pink soft color, so I went on and picked that up. I also found it in this color that they call Ocean, and it was also $1.37. I also found some vellum paper, and these were all 8 cents each, and I'll show you guys the patterns. It's that pattern. It's a wood grain pattern, a little map pattern, this one with the pineapples, and then these with the buffalo check. So I picked up those for 8 cents each. I also picked this up. I just thought this would be fun to play around with. This is a make your own stitch cards, and it was only 60 cents, and this is cross stitch, and it has the directions in it. It has 6 pre-punched cards for you to work on, and I just thought it was really neat. And so this is what you can make with the cards, or you can do your own designs on the cards. Really, really cute. So for 60 cents, I went on and picked that up. I also picked this up. It was only $2 because at the time the ribbon was on sale for half off. I did find a few clearance stamps. I found this one, I Love You More Than, and it was 65 cents, so I went on and picked that up. This one says Deliver To, and I picked this one up, and this one was 70 cents. And I think I have another one. No, I guess not. I did pick this up. I thought this was really cute. You can either make these a pendant or a necklace or earrings, whatever. But I just thought they were so cute. I love the green color that's on there, and I love the little bee. For some reason, I am like into bees, and I had a bee on my jacket from last year. I took it off of my jacket from last year and put it on my jacket this year, and I actually lost it. So I have no idea what happened to it. I believe I just lost it in commuting to work or something like that. I also picked up this from the Dollar Tree. It's just a scallop edge trim ribbon, and I think it's really pretty, and it's just in a yellow color. Super pretty. So that is all that I got from there. So let's see. I will show you. Oh, Lord, I got more things from Michael's. I'm sorry, I'm just all over the place because I just have bags kind of sitting around me. But these are some more things that I picked up from Michael's. This was 60 cents. These were 60 cents as well with the words. I got it for the words that's on the back. And I also picked up this one in the hot pink. This one, this little bag, zipper bag. And this really cute little sequin popsicle. And if you move it this way, it actually turns gold. Really, really cute. And that's a little patch. And those were 60 cents. This was 60 cents as well. This is a magnetic book, like a page clip. And I found this gold ribbon, really cute. This was 40% off. I think I could use a coupon 40% off for that. And then a 40 or 50% off coupon for this. Because like I said, they wouldn't allow me to use the coupon for 80% off. So I just went on and picked this up for 40% off or 50% off. But it's the little bowls. Really, really cute. Okay, so now I can move over to some stuff from Joann. So from Joann, I picked up this little remnant. It's just a really pretty pink fabric. Very, very pretty. And it was half off of this price right here. So I think I paid like $3 and some change for it. Really, really pretty though. So I went on and picked that up. I also picked up these felt pieces. And then honestly, after I picked them up, I was like, okay, I could totally do this myself. So I'm going to try to mimic these felt pieces. Because these were actually $1.49 each from Joann. They were not on sale. And honestly, it's just, I think it's just taking a stencil, putting glue through the stencil, and then, you know, sprinkling glitter on top of it, or painting through the stencil, because this is like a kind of painted one. So I picked up this one. I thought these were really pretty though. Picked it up in the pink, the gold with the stars, or yellow with the stars, hot pink with the little polka dots, and then this teal color. And I like working with these because I like using them in my Cricut Maker, which cuts out perfectly. And then I also picked up these letterboard words. My store here doesn't have these anymore, or at least the one that I go to. So when I found them there, I just went on and picked them up. But this says happy birthday party and celebrate. I have a small letterboard from Target. I'm not sure if these will fit in there or not, but I still thought they were super cute. And I also picked up this one, and this one says smile, awesome, laugh, and favorite. And so if you don't use them on a letterboard, you can definitely use them like on a layout, something like that in your scrapbook. Last but not least, for this video, I did pick up this Hildy and Joe 8 yards of beading wire, and this came from Joann. This is 20 gauge as well, and it's in a teal color. And I have not tried this yet, but this one to me feels softer than the black one did, and I'm not exactly sure why, because both of them are 20 gauge, but this one feels much more pliable. So I want to try this one in my happy jig as well. So that is about it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys from, where did I share? Target, 99 cents, Michael's, Joann, and I think that's it. So I'll come back and share with you guys what I picked up from Diaso. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.